up, we have our fish that we got fresh from the market this morning. Guido,
Yeah,
what are we gonna do with this?
blue marlin. Yeah, it's already very tender and soft fish, fatty fish. We just sear it. I always joke, you just disinfect it on the outside in the oil or in the butter, what you want. But it's a fatty fish, so I love to do it with a little butter again. And
Nice.
that's it's a very simple story. That's only to disinfect the fish that go around the plate. And then we put these different kinds of herbs. First we make here a nice story from the pomelo. The pomelo is sweet and sour. We have here again a red pepper, a chili. Now this is not really chili, it's what you call pidada. Pidada. So that's not too hot. Yeah. And but we boil it sweet and sour with cane sugar and vinegar, cane vinegar. So it's not that heavy.
So you sort of pickle it.
Yeah, pickle we call it. Yeah. Okay, you have that one.
Capers.
Capers. That has also a sour, salty accent. Sweet and sour. We give this little salt. Then you have tarragon, a little coriander, kale leaves. This is kale, and parsley again, basil, and we put that just around. That when you eat and you slice a piece of the fish, you can eat it with different kinds of herbs. So every bite from that plate again is a party, is a taste party.
Yeah.
It's dynamic.
Right.
It's you have a plate where you can make in combinations. Every bite can be different. You never have two times the same bite from this plate.
Yeah,
And that makes food adventure.
let's do it.
Okay. Good. Yeah.
So we have a hot pan again.
Yeah, we have hot pan again and again.
Butter.
Yeah.
Swirl the butter around.
Yep. Okay. Choppy.
Alright, and you
Choppy.
toss
Yeah.
your...
No. Yeah, go. Go. Wait. Yeah. Then you glue it from the bottom. Okay. Directly the other side.
Oh, so really quickly.
Really quickly.
Very quickly. You toss it into your pan.
Yeah.
Turn around for a little bit. Flip it.
That's all.
Barely even a minute.
So
A few seconds.
you see.
And it's done.
No, it's not done. But that's the whole story, actually.
That's the fish part.
Now, that's the fish part. We need just, in the end, little pepper and salt. Don't forget. Yeah. Just we're gonna.
Salt and pepper.
There's even you make that they can make choice, huh? Yeah. So
Right in the dill.
yeah. So how about two spots?
Herb party over here.
Yeah, there's a herb party, correct? Oh, you're into herb parties?
You're in the pomelo.
Yeah, the pomelo. Yeah, there is the right touch. It's the time of the pomelo, so.
Where'd you get this pomelo?
Oh, just along the road, somebody who was there with pomelos.
Very cool.
Yeah. We get fresh coriander. Huh?
Coriander. Okay.
We have the
Kale.
oh sorry, yeah, we do that. We have the kale department.
Nice.
Yeah. Okay. We have a little parsley around.
More parsley.
Yep. Here's the combination parsley,
Yeah.
basil, and then tarragon. Tarragon is quite a perfumey taste.
Yeah. I
So
love your
we got-
salads here for the tarragon. You guys
Yeah,
put a lot
sure.
of tarragon.
That's are the few hints. Few capers.
Capers around there.
And the capers is also nice with our friend the pomelo. And now a few peppers to have an accent with a sweet and sour pepper.
Pickled peppers.
Yeah, the pickled peppers. That makes it extra nice. Yeah. And then we made
Top it off with this.
this is our dressing. Many people ask, what's your dressing? It's just virgin olive oil with fresh lime. We have organic limes here. With fresh lime juice, no more than that.
That's it.
And then we make a tomato salsa. You saw the fresh red tomatoes with real taste, with a little garlic and onion. That it's a salsa, and we mix that a little, and then you get
Top it off.
top off the fish.
Nice.
To give it the taste, to give it the taste we want.
There you go. Simple enough. Less than what? 5 minutes?
Yeah, less than 5 minutes.
Yeah.
A little black pepper on top.
A little salt.
Yep, abundant sea salt. And
there you
go with the banana. And a little. To make it nice, always
Okay.
before it go, we
Clean it up a little.
clean the rims a little. And that it looks beautiful on the table.
Very nice. Very pretty. And voila. There you go.
Voila, madame et monsieur.
Alright, so we got our seared blue marlin, pomelo, and herb party over here in front of me. I can't wait to try this, so I'm just gonna dig in. Alright, so we have our blue marlin, pomelo, and I'm gonna choose my favorite herb, the coriander.
Yeah, that's
Cilantro.
very good, that's very good. This is typical Asian, Thailand, Philippines, Malaysia combination. Fruit and coriander and just fish, which is just seared, no more than that.
That is so good.
In Japanese they eat the fish raw also. And here we have the kinilaw with raw fish.
It's a very good blend between salty, sour, sweet.
Yeah, it's food is taste in balance, and you make the balance: sweet, sour, bitter, salt, astringent, pungent, umami. That are the taste, and you try to play with these balances, and you see it's just the nature around Negros where the products are coming from.
Right.
Sipalai, blue marlin, and only the aliens here are the capers.
Right.
That's all.
The basic premise of it is you can make this from all the things that you find here in Negros.
Yeah, sure.
Guido, Miss Gemma, I had so much fun today. I learned so much today. And hopefully you guys did too. So until the next episode of Let's Eat, I'm Jorge Gamboa.